Okay, honorable members.
Wakeri rucini na niguo mwonjoria Josephine Kafura au makinye mbere ya kamiti no ya mathabu mwa muingi bunge-ini ya bururi PSC. No Kafura ndanakinya mbere ya kamiti no mwikirigiti wayo Nicholas Gubo akiuga ati ni amukirite irwa kuma kuri wakiri wake.
Josephine Kafura be arrested and brought before the committee before the end of the week. We will instruct the IG through a letter that will be done by this August House today that Josephine Kafura must be arrested as per the Constitution.
We should request the IG to arrest Josephine Kafura today within the next 24 hours and bring her before this committee.
Iroine riu wakiri wa Kafura kauga ona igeria riake kwaraniria nake ritikinyanire kuona ati thimu ciake itinyitikaga. Wakiri ucio ningi akira kamiti ino ati Kafura angimuona tu riria agekinya igoti-ini ria Malindi mweri ukite undu unyororitio ni abunge aya.
I think it's a misnomer to be referring to her as lady. She can't be lady under any definition that I know. What we know for sure, gender-wise, she's a woman.
We cannot even extend with even 1 week.
This is a discretion in this case. This is a very important witness that we can't do without, for we must do our work. Where does she get this courage and impunity?
Kafura akoretwo agikuruhanio na kigina kiria kiaugumirio ruhonge-ini rwa mbeũ njithi NOS, kigina kiria kierikanaga giakigamirio kaunti-ini cia kambuni yake. No handũ-inĩ hake akoretwo akiorotera minister wa tene Anne Waiguru ngukumio iyo ya makiria ma ciringi milioni 791.
She must appear because she's gone a lot. There's a lot of money in her account. A lot of public funds have been misused, and if she takes away, if we lose on this battle, I'm telling you, it will be a habit, and people will be taking this route.
I believe we can conclude the matter without hearing her, because we've given her a chance to appear before us. She has not appeared, so she has waived her right.
His letter here, in my view, is indeed an insult to this committee.
Riri ni ria gatatu Kafura kwao kinya mbere ya kamiti ino abunge riu makiuga atiri na kanya kagi ona gutwika ihoya riake riuma aheo kanya mweri ukite. Josephine Kafura uri no muira munene hari uthuthuria wigie ngukumio ya kigina kia ruhonge rwa mbeũ njithi NYS akoretwo agitithirithia ati minister wa tene wa wathani wa matura Anne Waiguru no wina murigo munene hari ngukumio iyo. Ona irwa riria eriga kwandika igoti-ini Kafura oroteire Waiguru ngukumio iyo. Griffotera Inoro TV ritore kuna Macharia wa Gachuru.